Have you always wondered how the land was historically managed? No? Well, I'm not surprised. This channel answers those questions which you didn't know you wanted answering. My name's Rob and I bought a field. This channel follows my adventures on the land. From eco-projects, learning to manage the land in a sustainable manner, to living history, charcoal making, wattle fence building, willow weaving, to my obsession with a scythe, from mowing and scythe maintenance, to exploring where the scythe could be used as an effective weapon, and seeing where the Grim Reaper acquired this tool. I'm also into role-playing games, and so have a playlist on riddles which would be suitable for a Dungeons & Dragons campaign for those who are interested. I quite like the channel, but then I'm biased, so feel free to see for feedback. Comments on my channel include, "You look like Harry Styles," and "Where can I get a hat like that?" to some actual really lovely comments. If you're interested in this content, then welcome to the community. The best way that you can see upcoming videos is by subscribing, and if you want to see any of the playlists which I've been talking about, then they're available on my channel, and hopefully you'll see them popping up right now. Hope to see you soon.